morning, class, and welcome to your Islamiyat class. How are you all? And along with the good morning, I need to say Assalamu alaikum to you all. You know, we have learned about greeting, so greeting is a very important part of our lives. Being a Muslim, it is our moral responsibility to greet our brothers and sisters in a lovely way. So I hope everything is going good with you. We are here for our new topic in Islamiyat. Right now, I'm going to teach you about a very important, you can say it a pillar or an important thing that has been told us by our holy prophet who has told us that cleanliness is a half of faith. Mean we are going to learn about cleanliness. Yes, how can we keep ourselves clean, and how we can be safe from the germs and all of the diseases by keeping ourselves neat and clean at times. In cleanliness, it is very important that we should take a bath, we should comb our hair, we should brush our teeth, we should wash our hands, wash our face, we should cut our nails, and we should have to apply oil in our hair. These are some important things that we need to follow in cleanliness. If I'll tell you a famous proverb or a famous thing about cleanliness, then it was about take a bath daily, brush your teeth, wash your face, comb your hairs, and cut your nails. These are 5 important things we need to do on daily basis. I am going to show you a video clip on cleanliness. Then we are going to learn about cleanliness topic on our Islamiyat book. Okay, so this is our video of Edward channel. You can come to know about cleanliness, what they have taught you in this.
There are so many dustbins around, but I still see garbage thrown by people. We need to take care of our place. Let me pick these up and throw them in dustbin. I have been out the whole day. Need to wash my hands.
No, darling. I think you should take shower.
You are right, Mom. I will go take shower.
I feel so relaxed. Need to clean up the bathroom too now. We must take care of cleanliness of ourselves and things are around us.
Now see in the video, I want you to watch it again.
There are so many dustbins around, but I still see garbage thrown by people. We need to take care of our place. Let me pick these up and throw them in dustbin. I have been out the whole day. Need to wash my hands.
No, darling. I think you should take shower.
You are right, Mom. I will go take shower.
I feel so relaxed. Need to clean up the bathroom too now. We must take care of cleanliness of ourselves and things are around us.
So we come to know about cleanliness, that a girl who was talking about that all around there were garbage in dustbins, but the people are throwing the garbage on the streets and on the roads. But the problem is that people are not doing it nicely. So the girl herself cleaned up all of the garbage and putting all of the garbage in the dustbin. What happened to her? She got dirty. She went to her home and her mother asked her, she was saying that I should have to clean my hands. But her mother told her, no, she has to take a shower. After taking a shower, she thought to clean the washroom as well. So you have come to know that cleanliness of our body and also the things or the rooms or everything which we are using, it is a responsibility to clean them too for a better cleanliness thing. So kindly take out your Islamiyat books. Islamiyat 1, we are going to learn about cleanliness today. It is our unit 13, cleanliness. cleanliness. Okay, let us start. Allah likes clean people. Cleanliness is half of Iman. I have told you cleanliness is half of faith, cleanliness is half of Iman. This means cleanliness is part of our religion. We must wash our face, mouth, hands, and feet before we offer our namaz or read the Holy Quran. This is called wuzu. We must keep our home and school clean. Clean people say stay healthy. Everyone likes a clean person. Everyone likes a clean person. What must we do to keep ourselves clean? We must wash our hands, face, and feet. We must wash our mouth and nose. We must brush our teeth. We must take a bath regularly using a good soap. It keeps away germs and keeps us healthy. We must comb our hair and cut our nails. We must keep our clothes and shoes clean. See, this is what I have told you, that it is our responsibility to clean our hand, face, wash feet, and we must clean our mouth and nose. We must brush our teeth. We must take a bath regularly. And what does it do? It keeps germs away and keeps us healthy. And what should we have to do? We must comb our hair and cut our nails. And we must have to clean our shoes and clothes. At school, we must what? At school, we must keep our books and bag clean, keep our desk tidy, sharpen pencils in a waste paper basket, throw wrappers, empty bottles, and ice cream cups in a dustbin. Yeah, we are supposed to throw each and everything in the dustbin, whatever we are eating in, and whatever the disposable things we are keeping in our bags. We are not supposed to throw them away on the floor, or we are not supposed to put them back in the shopper and in the desk. No, we need to keep everything tidy, and for that we need to throw everything in the respective thing. Like dustbin is made for the garbage, we should have to throw the garbage in the dustbin. This is a neat and tidy classroom. At home we must. Now the best, see in the picture they have put the cross. Boy is writing on the wall. That is the worst thing we can ever do. Children, you're not supposed to write on the walls. Your parents has provided you with the whiteboards, with the blackboards, with the notebooks. You have all of the things to write on. So please try to write on those things instead of walls. Keep our room tidy, keep our bed clean, keep our clothes, books, and toys in the right place. Throw rubbish in the waste paper basket and never write on the walls. Okay? Outside the home we must. Now, what is the problem with us people? Like we are going in the car, and most of the people pull down the mirror and pull down the glass of the car and throw out whatever they are having, whether they have eaten the banana, whether they have eaten some crisps, whether they drink some juice. They consider it unimportant to keep it in their car, and they consider that we should have to throw it outside. This is the worst thing. It is our responsibility to keep our garbage with ourselves, and we should have to throw it in the bin. What I do, what I teach my daughter, what I teach you, if you are eating something in a car, place them on a side if you are not having a shopping bag. After uh, going down, or when you are going somewhere, pick up the rubbish with you and find some dustbin somewhere at someone's home or outside. Throw that rubbish in the dustbin instead of throwing it on the road. Okay? Keep this in your mind. Never throw anything out of the window. Never throw anything out of the car. And always use a dustbin in a park, playground, or street. Littering. If I tell you about today the situation of littering in Islamabad, people are going for outing. Dustbins are made on every feet. People are throwing rubbish, and when you see our country or city or the place or parks, they look untidy. Gives a very bad feel to us that who did this? We people did this. We are doing this. We are giving the chance to the people to do these things. So please stop Stop doing these kind of things and try to be very, very honest with your country, with yourself, and with your religion. Because our religion teaches us to be clean. If we will keep ourselves clean, it means we have completed half of our iman, and half of our iman is depends on our gestures. So, class, this is all about the cleanliness. Let me ask you some of the questions. Can you please tell me what kind of people Allah likes? Allah likes clean people. And what is the proverb in Islam? Cleanliness is half of Iman. And what should we do before namaz? We must wash our face, our hands, feet, and everything. Okay. And what do? We should have to keep our home and home surroundings, room, everything clean. And clean people stay healthy. Everyone likes a clean person. We know these things. Can you please tell me what should we must have to wash? We must wash our hands, feet, and face, mouth, and nose. Brush our teeth. Take a bath regularly. These all things I have told you. Where do you have to throw the rubbish? You have to throw the rubbish at the bins. And when you sharpen your pencil, where you have to throw the scrums in the bins. So this is all about cleanliness. Let us write some of the words. You have to underline them, find them from the book, and then we will do our other work. Religion. 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 Offer. 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 Wudu. WUZU. Wudu. Healthy. 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 Then comes regularly. 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 Okay, then wrappers. Wrappers are those things you use to eat late, chips, crepes, biscuits, cookies. All of the things are in wrappers. All of the things are in wrappers. Okay, then now wrappers. Then empty. 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 Okay, then rubbish. 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 And then playground. PLAY. Play. GROUND. Ground. Playground. And last but not the least is dustbin. DUST. Dust. B and bin. Dustbin. These are the words you need to find them from your book, underline them so your activity will be completed. Let us do the other one. How do you clean your room? How do you clean your room? You should have to clean your room by throwing each and everything in the dustbin and by keeping everything on their places. I clean my room by keeping my bed clean. Bed clean and by keeping everything on their place. in the right place. Now, what do you throw in a dustbin? We throw garbage, rubbish in the dustbin. Or something like we threw wrappers, empty bottles, and garbage in the dustbin. So these are two answers of question. There are two question answers. On activity number 2, we will do take the things to be kept neatly and cross the things to be thrown in the dustbin. Now see, you need to throw the juice in the dustbin. So juice has to be thrown in the dustbin. What about this? It is a folded paper. It has to be thrown in the dustbin. Then this is also a chocolate wrapper. This has to be thrown in the dustbin. What about the books? We need to put them in the bag, so we have to put a tick on them. What about the pencil? A tick. This is the eraser rubbish, so this has to be thrown in the dustbin, but we need to keep the eraser in our bag, so we have to put it a tick on it. Now tell me, do you clean your bags by yourselves? That's great. That's great. You have to clean your bags on daily basis. And what about helping your mother? Like your mother is making your bed, or are you people are making your bed? Good, good. If you are doing your work like this, then that is really very and brilliant thing of you. You have to show me the books, or you have to show your book to your mother that they are kept clean or not. And show me your nails like this. See, I always cut my nails. You can see carefully. I do not keep my nails big because they are dirty nails. I never keep them long in my whole life. I always cut them. I always keep myself clean. I always take a bath. I always make 5 times wudu a daily basis, mostly 6 times also. So you have to be vigilant and more conscious about your cleanliness, because it will give you health as well as wealth, and as well as making your iman more strong. So students, this is all about your topic cleanliness. I hope you have enjoyed this lecture, and I hope you will practice this thing on daily basis. Take care of you. Allah Hafiz.